Tesla pushes electric car manufacturing, and the 2025 Model Y seems to be no exception. Latest sources propose a total redesign of the car, focusing on curved aerodynamics and futuristic styling. Top slopes down and becomes a fastback shape, the biggest change. This design should speed up airflow and make the Model Y look sportier, improving range and efficiency. Automatically popping door handles match the flowing lines and provide a clean, smooth surface. The automobile has a clean body and sharp LED headlights that emphasize its electric origins, but no Tesla grille. The wheels will be aerodynamically enhanced to look futuristic and reduce wind resistance. Speculation suggests the 2025 Model Y will feature a big powertrain overhaul under the streamlined front trunk. Next-generation battery technologies could boost Tesla's range. The Model Y may go over 400 miles on a charge, according to speculations. The first electric car to travel so far. The specs are unknown, but reports suggest dual-motor AWD will be standard. The automobile will handle well and have instant torque for thrilling driving. Additionally, the upgraded powertrain may charge faster. Tesla may use a new Supercharger that speeds up charging. In minutes, you may add hundreds of miles to your range, making long trips easier and more tempting. Tesla has not announced the 2025 Model Y's price or release date. Experts expect the initial price to be around $58,000, but it might rise depending on the battery pack size and new capabilities. Production will begin in late 2024 and sales in early 2025. With its futuristic design and likely range expansion, the 2025 Tesla Model Y will revolutionize electric SUVs and show us the future of green mobility.